Here is a quick recipe for 2 different types of tepache. It is a refreshing Mexican beverage made from fermented pineapple peels, mixed with purified cane sugar and some spices. My grandmother used to make this all the time, so I decided to make a simplified version of it. Simply peel off the skin off a pineapple, place it in a mason jar, along with some cinnamon sticks, cloves, and brown sugar. Fill it up with water, seal it, and let it ferment for at least 1 week, away from sunlight. Make sure you let it breathe once a day by opening the lid, then closing it back up. This process will prevent the final product from exploding on you. Ever seen a soda can opened right after being vigorously shaken? It pales in comparison to pineapple peels, being kept in an airtight container for a week. Trust me on this one. Once it is ready, strain it through some cheesecloth. Add more water or sugar, according to your taste buds. Enjoy it over ice. It can build up to 3% alcohol content if you let it ferment longer, but it will pick up a stronger taste as well. I prefer to ferment it for 1 week and add alcohol if I want to enjoy it as a mixed drink. The version I just showed you is the traditional way. This version is the one I prefer when making an alcoholic drink with it. The process is similar. Ferment pineapple peels, blueberries, strawberries, some lime slices, star anise, cinnamon sticks, and brown sugar. Fill it up with water. Let it ferment for 2 weeks. The berries and lime give it more of a citrusy fruit punch flavor. Once it is ready, strain it, add cold water and sugar if you'd like to make it sweeter. Enjoy it over ice and spike it with your favorite liquor. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow recipes. Cheers.